A new feature to Windows 7 that builds on the Security Center from previous versions of Windows is the Action Center. The Action Center consolidates system notifications into a centralized location where you can monitor issues and the maintenance status of your PC. Now, you typically won't interact with the Action Center unless there's an issue with one of your tracked features. And you'll notice a little white flag in the system area or notification area here in the taskbar if everything's okay. When you see a little red X like I have, it means there may be a problem or some minor issues. And in this case, when we hover over it, you can see I've got a couple of important messages, 3 messages in total. When the message disappears, simply move away from the taskbar and move your mouse back down to read the rest of the message. Now, to actually view the Action Center information and address the issues that may exist, you need to click this button to gain access. So here you can see now I've got 2 important messages, 3 total messages. I need to find an antivirus program. That's important. I need to set up Windows Update, and I need to set up backup. Those are the 3 messages. Now, to actually handle those things, I can go to the Action Center itself from the bottom of this window. Click Open Action Center, and it opens it up. Now I'm getting even more information under security, for example, virus protection. Windows didn't find an antivirus software on this computer, so I can use this button to find a program online. Same thing for Windows Update. It's not set up for this computer. I can change the settings directly from here by clicking the Change Settings button. So I can install updates automatically or let me choose to go into this part of the control panel. Notice the paths, System and Security, Windows Update, and Change Settings. So I could have got there manually. The Action Center is a convenient location where I can access all of these things. So where it says please select an option, I'm going to choose check for updates, but let me choose whether or not to download and install them. I click OK. That saves my changes and takes me back to the Action Center. Here I can also set up a backup. So if I choose Set Up Backup, you can see it's starting Windows Backup. This is an actual program I would have had to run using the Windows Orb, for example, and search for this program, or I can access it directly from the Action Center here. And here you can see I've got my options. I can save on a network. There's my 2 drives, backup destinations, etc. I'm going to click Cancel for now. I don't need to set that up right away. As I scroll down towards the bottom of this window, you can see that I've also got troubleshooting and recovery options directly available to me here from the Action Center. I've also got access to some very important features on the left-hand side. I can go to the control panel, the home page directly from here as well. Change Action Center settings when I click this option. You can see the messages can be turned on or off, and here are the security messages, all of which are checked off. Maintenance messages also checked off. If I don't want to see messages about virus protection, I can deselect a checkbox, any of these other ones as well, and click OK. Notice down below now in the notification area of my taskbar, I've got a white flag. I no longer see that red X. That's either because I fixed the issues or turned off the notifications. In this case, on the left-hand side, I've got these yellow bars. They're not red. They're not pressing. They're not super important, but they are things I should probably address. So I'm going to close up the Action Center to return to my desktop. So with the new Action Center, security and maintenance tasks and monitoring is consolidated into one convenient location.